It tastes like blue cheese. It has that like...
I hate it.
Okay, we are coming back at you with another cheese review. Today we are reviewing specialty cheeses. I'm here with my buddy Chelsea. Today we are reviewing Earth Island Smoked Gouda.
Love Gouda.
We are reviewing Fresh Petite Chèvre aux Herbes from Happy Heart. She's Vegan Blue Style. Blue cheese.
I'm nervous about that one.
Nuts for cheese. We actually got 2 nuts for cheese. 1 red rind and 1 black garlic. Okay, let's start off with the smoked Gouda. Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Bon appetit.
It's like a little bit like processed cheese, but I don't hate it. Like smoked Gouda, processed cheese version.
Huh, that's a good description. Yeah, I like it too. The smokiness is nice. It's not too strong. There it goes onto your sock.
Thank you. That's where I like the cheese to go.
Thanks.
Take that. Don't eat it. Oh God.
Extra smoky. Texture?
9? It's good.
I was gonna give it a 9 too. And flavor a 8.
I'm gonna give flavor a 9.
Whoa!
I like the smokiness.
9 and 9.
This is also
Shit.
from Greece. A lot of these cheeses are from Greece.
Whoa, that's so
lately, eh?
interesting. Next, we have this nuts for cheese, black garlic. This one seems like it would be the most interesting. This is a cashew base, so fermented cashews, coconut oil, water. Quinoa is the 4th ingredient, or quinoa rejuvelat.
Oh, okay.
Whoa, we got a shrink wraps here.
Don't do this at home either.
Don't touch that.
It looks like a nice piece of cake.
It does.
Like a good piece of cheesecake. Okay.
Let's give this a flavor review. Marbled.
So you can see the black wine in here more.
Cheers. Dun dun dun.
I really like that one.
Wow.
Yum. It's really good. Like, I will definitely have some more of this when we're done.
I'm gonna give it texture a 10.
Yep.
You're saying the same?
Yep.
And I'm gonna give flavor,
10.
shit,
I'm
10,
going
10,
10.
holy.
10. Woo.
I'm gonna give that a 9.5.
Okay. Touch it, please.
Next, we got She's Vegan Blue Style Blue.
I'm scared for this, I'll be honest. I've never had real blue cheese either. Kind of freaks me
Oh,
out.
really?
Yeah.
Well, normally real blue cheese has mold on it.
There's no blue on that.
And
which
there's
makes me
no
happy.
blue.
A small piece for me.
Is that small?
And smaller. Things I do for friendship.
It's
give me
not
this
blue.
Smallest piece
The
ever.
cracker. Don't even eat it with the cracker.
No, I need it.
Cracker's
just in
gonna.
case.
It tastes like blue cheese. It has that like.
I hate it.
Damn. Flavor, I'm gonna give that a 2. Texture,
generous.
I mean, texture, it was fine. It gets a 6. Yeah.
Can I give it a 0? I really didn't like it. Sorry, I apologize to you. You don't make this cheese.
Sorry,
I'm gonna give it a 1. I'll give it a 1. No, I'll give it a 0. I would never eat this again. But it's also because I don't like blue cheese. So
Yeah, so
people
it's
that
a
like
bit
blue
biased.
cheese, maybe they'll like it. I don't want to throw it under the bus. Like I don't like blue cheese. But this is my rating, and I give it a 1. And then the texture is fine. So yeah, 6 is fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, next we have Happy Heart Fresh Petite Chèvre aux Herbes. Packaging here, it's looks very French.
This is very cute and picnicky.
Okay, ingredients. We got whole raw cashews. Okay, so we got a quality stuff here. Filtered water, sea salt, rosemary, oregano, thyme, basil, vegan probiotic cultures. Oh, not many ingredients.
Cheers. Oh, I just pushed my cheese off my cracker.
It's delicious.
It is really good.
Like the cheese itself is very neutral, but then you get the herbs and. I mean, cashews are never as like smooth as the other one, the cashew bases. So I don't want that to hinder it. Texture, I'm gonna give it an 8.
Okay. Yeah, I'd say the same. I mean, it doesn't have like the texture of a chunk of cheese, but it's still like a pleasing texture.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's good. I like it a lot.
Flavor, I'm gonna give that a 9.
Okay, I'll go 8.5. Can I have some more wine, please? Thank you.
So last, but probably not least, we have Nuts for Cheese Red Rind.
What does that mean?
Red rind? I think it's just a type of cheese that has this red rind on the outside.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
Oh.
Whoa.
So I think this is probably just from like this coating, like bleeding into it or something.
Yeah, it's like, is that turmeric maybe?
Maybe. Probably shouldn't say spices, which it does. Can't let anyone know their secrets.
Packaging could be a bit easier to work with here. I think so.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Dutch.
Mmm.
These are so good.
Mm-hmm.
Ah, this is delicious.
Wow. It definitely tastes like there's some turmeric in there. That's how it's yellow.
Yeah, that's how. Yeah, that makes sense.
Like that's the best for texture for cashew cheeses I've had.
Yeah, it's really good. I feel like you could like slice it or you could spread it on something. Yeah, you know, I'm gonna go wild here. I'm gonna go 10 and 10.
Whoa!
I know.
Did you do a 10-10 for the black garlic?
I don't remember.
Okay.
Yeah. Same company.
Same company, guys. Nuts for cheese.
I'm gonna go 9 for flavor and 10 for texture.
Very nice.
For cashew cheese, that's pretty good. But we have smoked, the smoked Gouda in first. Overall, we have the Nuts for Cheese, which one? Was that the black garlic in second? And then we had the red rind in third. 7.9, 7.7. That's all we got for specialty cheeses. If you have any cheese recommendations that we should check out, leave it down below in the comments. But we have some more vegan cheese reviews, so you should definitely check that out. Too much cheese, can't speak. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye for now. Nice.
Okay.
Another one bites the dust.
That blue cheese was not good.